A translucent smartphone. What is this? A science fiction movie? Nope, it's just the leaked images of the Xiaomi Mi 8. And if these rumors turn out to be true, well, you can get one for yourself by the end of this month. Xiaomi has officially confirmed that the Mi 8 is launching on the 31st of May, and today we are gonna round up all the leaks and rumors of the upcoming Mi flagship, along with a healthy dose of my own expectations. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and if you wanna win some free stuff, then click on this card right here. Missed it? Well, don't worry, we've got a link in the description box. Also down there is the bell icon. So click on that to never miss another upload from C4E Tech. So let's get started. So if this is the Mi 8, where is the Mi 7, right? Logical question. Well, Xiaomi decided to skip the 7 and go straight into the 8 since 7 isn't lucky. Okay, I'm just kidding. Since it's their 8th anniversary. Anyway, who cares about the naming? You guys want to know how it looks like, right? At a glance, it looks like Xiaomi took the Redmi Note 5 Pro's design and just swapped the metal with glass instead. I guess in a way it makes sense since like most 2018 flagships, the Mi 8 2 is supposed to sport a glass sandwich design with a metal trim running around the sides. And from this leaked video, it looks like Xiaomi has decided to take it one step further by making the back translucent. We even seem to have these translucent backs available with colored trims and highlights. And from these press renders, they look really great. In real life too, if it is anything close to what HTC has pulled off with the HTC U12 Plus, I would be seriously impressed. The front too has a couple of surprises. Rumors indicate that the Mi 8 will feature 3D face unlock as well as an under-the-display fingerprint scanner. Yep, you heard it right. The Mi 8 is gonna sport a fingerprint sensor that is gonna be tucked underneath that display. Now, like OnePlus, Xiaomi too has been reluctant to move past the Full HD resolution when it comes to displays, except that one time. Anyone remember the only Xiaomi phone to sport a Quad HD panel? Any guesses? Well, let me know in the comments below. Anyway, we expect a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus panel with a 19:9 aspect ratio. Yeah, you know what that extra 1 on the aspect ratio means, right? Yep, there's a notch up top. Now again, from the leaked images, it looks like this notch is bigger than ones found on most Android smartphones. In fact, it almost looks like the iPhone X's notch. Now if Xiaomi is really putting in some specialized hardware to enable 3D facial recognition for a more secure face unlock, then all of it makes sense, right? Of course, being a flagship, it should have some really beefy hardware underneath. So Snapdragon 845 is what's logical and also what's rumored to be powering the Mi 8. Expect at least two variants, 664 and 8128 RAM storage. On the battery front, we are supposed to be getting a 3300 mAh battery. As per the leaks, we see a USB Type-C port to the bottom. I hope it comes with some sort of quick charge capabilities. And oh yeah, next to the Type-C port, the headphone jack seems to return. Given the Mi 6 and even the Mi 6X don't have headphone jacks, I hope this isn't false and Xiaomi has decided to finally listen to us consumers and go back to supporting the beloved 3.5mm headphone jack. Now coming to the cameras, we supposedly have a dual camera setup to the back. Leaked images seem to indicate a primary 20 megapixel camera with an f1.7 aperture lens that's paired with a secondary 16 megapixel sensor with an f2.0 aperture lens. The front camera is supposed to be another 16 megapixel f2.0 snapper. Now in the past, we've seen the Mi lineup of devices. They've always had OIS on the primary sensor, so I'm guessing that should return too. Also, fingers crossed, hoping for 4K 60 FPS on the Mi 8 as the Mi Mix 2S surprisingly didn't have it on board. Xiaomi recently has also put together a separate team dedicated to mobile photography, and we are hopeful that this camera too will benefit from that. We have seen AI-based features like scene recognition and changing the background bokeh on images shot by the Chinese version of the Redmi Note 5, which is why we are hopeful that with a more powerful Hexagon 685 DSP at its disposal, Xiaomi will provide the Mi 8 with some new AI tricks. On the software front, we know that the Mi 8 will run on MIUI that's based on Android 8.1 Oreo. Now, would it run on MIUI 10 as well? Well, your guess is as good as mine, so leave a comment down below if you think Xiaomi will release a new version of MIUI on the 31st of May. Wrapping it all up, well, pricing. The rumors are all over the place on this one, but latest rumors seem to indicate four different prices for four storage models. The lowest one is supposed to be 664, priced at 3599 yuan or about 38,000 Indian rupees. The highest variant, or rather the higher variant 8128 has a price tag, a rumored price tag of 4099 yuan, approximately 44,000 Indian rupees. There also seem to be two other variants with a whopping 256 gigs of storage that's supposed to be priced at 4499 yuan, while an insane 512 gig model is also rumored to be coming in, and that's supposed to come in at 4899 yuan. Converted to Indian prices, those are 48 and 52,000 respectively. I doubt those higher end variants will ever make their way out of China, even if these rumors turn out to be true. Also, while the price of the Mi 8 does seem a little high, do remember that these are conversion rates, and thus the falling rates of the Indian rupee have skewed it a little bit. It's kind of made it a little higher than what we would have expected. Anyway, even at prices around 35,000 rupees, would you be interested in picking up a Mi 8 over, say, a OnePlus 6? Is the 3D face unlock and translucent back enough to get you to pay top dollar for a Xiaomi flagship? Let us know in the comments below. If you're excited for the Mi 8 and all the new tech that it brings with it, share this video. And if you hated it, well, you know what to do. But if you did like this video, then give it a big huge thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and press that bell icon. Yeah, that one down below to get on our notification squad. Oh, and if you are interested in the dollar prices, we have included them down there as well. Anyhow, time for me to bid you adieu. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.